Hello, madam. This is Syed Saqlain Shah, a student of Master in Advanced Computer Science from Leeds Beckett University. My topic for the dissertation is Sustainable Contextual Awareness Mobile Agent Using in Healthcare Systems. As the name denoted, contextual awareness technology used in healthcare systems. The contextual awareness technology is uh, this technology uh, work as if the something happens around the technology, around the device which use contextual awareness technology. So how will this technology react and according to the changing in their surroundings. So the the as I um as I explain the theme of this contextual awareness technology, so it is very important to bring this technology in the healthcare systems, because in healthcare systems we need to monitor the patient's health every time, um, every time. So it is very important to use this technology to monitor anything happen around the patient, or any or or anything like temperature raised, temperature can be raised anytime, or the heartbeats can be go up and go down anytime. So it is very important to monitor to monitor that disease or that patients through this technology, as this technology react according to changes occur in surroundings. So the aim of this research is the what contextual technology features and what sensors are used in contextual awareness technology in healthcare system nowadays, and how can we improve or get better estimation of the treatment or monitoring of the disease, or the treatment of the disease with the help of machine learning and contextual awareness technology. So, as I said, the M denoted that the aim of this research is to drive an objective view of the actual dynamism of contextual awareness in healthcare, and to identify what contextual awareness system are used, and also mention how to improve healthcare system to predict phases, uh, values through a census of disease by using machine learning algorithm. The sorry the objective of this context of this dissertation is, the first objective is to what sensors and what contextual awareness factors are used in healthcare system nowadays. The second is to choose a specific area or specific disease in healthcare to monitor, to monitor that disease, or to analyze that disease through machine learning. uh, and by the use of machine learning, we how can we get better estimation or better result or better measuring of the disease. So the next step is to identify the contextual awareness factor. After contextual awareness factors, the next step is to select the data set or related any healthcare system to monitor and analyze disease. It means to identify the specific area, specific disease to monitor the area. And the third step is to identify the algorithm, which algorithm machine learning algorithm will be used, and how it will be used, how it will be used to improve the better monitoring or the treatment of the disease. The rationale of this healthcare of this dissertation is, as we know, the good health is someone it's everyone's priority. So if you have everything in this world, you don't have a good health, so you cannot be a happy person in this world. So this is my motivation to using the healthcare systems. And why use a contextual awareness system? The contextual awareness is a newly in, invented technology and very useful to use in healthcare systems. The third is how why to use a specific area, as in this dissertation we will discuss the Parkinson's disease. Why will we use Parkinson's disease? Why cannot we use the Alzheimer's disease, as the madam already asked me during when I was discussing about this topic? Because if you can say the Alzheimer's disease is primarily focused on the mental health and thinking ability of the patient, but the Parkinson disease is primarily focused. This disease is mainly monitored of the movement of the hands, movement of the heads, or any part of the patient. So the contextual by the through the contextual awareness, we can easily capture the movement of the hand or head instead of the instead of the monitoring or the estimation of the mental health. So it is very easy to um, monitor the movement of the hand and head uh, through the contextual awareness technology used in nowadays. The literature review, there's many, so many, not a lot of, but many work has been already done in this area, as I discussed here, and the dissertation as well. The methodology used, as I already said, there's two phases of the methodology. The first is to what contextual awareness technology is used, what sensors are used in healthcare systems. The second is what machine learning algorithm will be used to monitor that disease, and what and how can we, by the help of machine learning algorithm, how can we get better estimation or better monitoring of that disease. So I use the LSTM. LSTM is a long short-term memory a model algorithm. Why I choose this algorithm? Because this is a very good algorithm to predict the values in a sequential data or in time intervals data, and the data I collected by Parkinson disease. This is the data set is already in sequential and the time intervals that it is in that data set. This is very big data set. In that data set, the movement of hand was captured about more than 1,400 uh, 140,000 times. The movement of the hand captures more than 140,000 intervals, or more 140,000 times. So in this LSTM, this is we need to split the data set into three phases. The first is the training of the model. The second is validation of the model. The third is the testing of the model. The first is the training of the model. Out of 140,000 intervals, I specify a 1,000 or 130,000 data, because as big the data you will allocate to the training, the model will be trained very well, as big data as you can allocate it to that training. So after training, as you can see the graph over here, so the blue line denotes the prediction by the algorithm, and the red line is the actual data collected from the sensors. So as we can say, this is very close to the blue line is very close to the red line, so it means that model is trained very well. As we can say, we can come down for validation. Is the same. The blue values mean the prediction values is so close to the actual value, so there is no overfitting or outfitting of the data. The testing, when we test, it is also very good estimated. The prediction value is very close to the actual value, so the model is working very good. In conclusion, after implementation of LSTM algorithm, it came to know that it will be very helpful if we use the machine learning algorithm with the contextual awareness technology, uh, because um, uh, during the contextual awareness, so you need to wear the variable device of the contextual awareness to monitor the movement of the health every time. So if we use the machine learning algorithm, so we can predict the future forecasting and movement of the hand through the machine learning algorithm. So we don't need to use we don't need the use of the contextual awareness technology for to wear the variable device for so long. So this is my conclusion. The ethical consideration, the dataset is already got it from the open public source. So that's all from my side. Thank you so much.